Have you ever wondered how businesses turn raw data into powerful insights? Hi, and welcome to Let's Talk About Data. Are you ready to master Power BI from scratch? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced analyst, this series will take you from basics to advanced with real-world projects and hands-on dashboards. Before we dive in, let's answer a simple question. What is Power BI? Power BI is Microsoft's powerful business analytics tool that helps you visualize data, build dashboards, and uncover insights. Used by companies worldwide, it's a must-have skill in data analytics and business intelligence. Wondering why Power BI is important? Here's why. High demand, used by thousands of companies, including Amazon, Google, and Tesla. Lucrative salaries. Power BI professionals earn up to $100,000+ per year. Career growth. Essential for data analysts, business intelligence experts, and decision makers. In this weekly series, we'll cover everything you need to master Power BI. Week 1, Introduction and Basics of Power BI. Week 2, Connecting to Data Sources in Power Query. Week 3, Data Modeling and Relationships. Week 4, DAX, Data Analysis Expressions, Fundamentals. Week 5, Advanced Visualizations and Custom Dashboards. Week 6, Real-World Case Study, Sales Dashboard. Week 7 Plus, More Hands-On Projects and Advanced Techniques. This isn't just theory. We'll build real projects using real-world datasets, sales dashboard, track revenue, profits and trends, healthcare analytics, analyze patient data, social media insights, discover trends in engagement and followers. This series is for everyone, whether you're a beginner looking to start a career in data analytics, data analyst who wants to level up, business professional seeking data-driven insights. Set your reminders. New videos drop every Thursday at 7 PM CET right here on Let's Talk About Data. Ready to level up your Power BI skills? Subscribe now, hit the bell icon and drop a comment. What Power BI topic do you want to see next? See you in the next episode.